Hi and welcome. Today you will be setting up your coding environment where we will be coding your JavaScript models. And first, we will be beginning it with installing the VS Code, and then we will be installing Node.js, which is important for running JavaScripts. So let's begin. First, let's visit the Visual Studio Code website. Visual Studio Code download. Yeah, the second link is here for the download. As soon as you click on that link, you will find an interface like this where you will be clicking for if you have a Windows system, then you will be clicking on Windows. Otherwise, if you have Mac, then you can go for this option also. In my case, it is Windows, so I'll be selecting on this. You can see here there is an extension, but you can click on this, and as soon as you click on it, the your VS Code will be start downloading here. Okay, so after downloading, you have to click on this extension, open it, and then install it. Make sure you click on the checkboxes which are given in the last slide while installing. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, which is Node.js. Once you search Node.js in Google, you will find something like this. Click on this download uh, link here, and next you will be selecting the Node.js version, then for which system you are installing, Windows, and using what you are going to run it. You have to do all these things. In my case, it's not okay, fine. And then you will start this Windows installer. Once you click on this Windows installer, your Node.js will also be start installing here. Okay, it's done. Now let's move on to the downloads folder. Okay, let's let it get completed. There's an issue with my internet. Oh, it's done. Once you click on that file, you can see some interface like this that is saying welcome to the Node.js setup wizard. Next, you have to accept this terms and then click on next. Make sure this is installed in your C drive for better performance. Next. Okay, so these are the files which are needed to be okay. Make sure this added to path is already there when you are installing. This is very important because if it is not there, then we can't be able to run our JS files using the terminal. Okay, so make sure it is kept here while or it is selected here where when you are installing it. Click on the next. Okay, automatically install the necessary tools. Sure. Then next click install. So your device will be asking some permissions. Give the permission and let it install. So my Node.js has been installed successfully. Okay, so press any key to continue. Now let's move on to the Windows PowerShell. Nothing, you have to do nothing here. It will all be getting installed on its own. As you can see, everything is installed. After this, cut that window and then let's dive into the main part, that is our VS Code. Open the VS Code you have installed and you will see some interface like this. Here, move to this extension part. Yeah, here, and then you have to download few extensions which are required for running the JavaScript in our machine. First one is prettier. You search here prettier. Prettier code. You have to install this code formatter. Then you have to install this ESLint also. Next, you have to install JavaScript ES6. Yeah, this one ES6 code snippets. This will help us to write our code in block form, and also we can use the boilerplate codes also. So it's installed. Next, we have to run the live server. Live server, yeah, this one. Yeah, live server is installed. Node.js extension pack. Yeah, everything is installed. Now you are ready to go for running your first code. For that, just click on this new file option and name it with any name. Let me name it file.js. This .js extension creates a JavaScript file, and here you can type your first line of code, that is console.log within brackets hello world. Yeah. And once you save this file and then open the terminal, go to the terminal, and if you and then the file name file.js. Yes, so as you can see, hello world is printed here. So you are good to go and learn JavaScript. So make sure you like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I'll be in the next video, you'll be seeing how to write the data types and various syntaxes with in the JavaScript. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.